Perfect placement. For optimal placement and mistake-proof application of your KISS Falscara eyelash extension wisps, use the applicator to place our Falscara wisps under your own lashes so you can customize them for your own original natural look. If you can mascara, you can Falscara. Build and customize these 24 cruelty-free synthetic eyelash extensions that are reusable up to 3 times. Use with starter kit, bond and seal, applicator, and remover, each sold separately. The new way to lash. With tiny microfibers you place under your own eyelashes rather than above, the results are beautiful natural-looking lashes that are easy to apply and just as easy to remove. DIY Lash Looks That Wow. KISS has everything you need for an at-home lash extension look in an array of lengths and styles, similar to salon lash extensions, saves you from expensive trips to the spa. Applicators, glues, and removers sold separately. Be KISS confident. We're a global leader in professional quality beauty products and treatments, with iconic brands sold in over 100 countries. We empower beauty enthusiasts to bring the salon home. Top reviews from the United States. Great tool especially for beginners on $1. Love this applicator. I have the original Lashify wand which I really like too. I wanted a second wandom, for on the go but just couldn't see spending $70 bucks for it. Tired, not that serious. So when KISS came out with Falscara at a reasonable price for basically the same product I had to check it out.